Dashing through English. Unlocking the mysteries of dashes. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation, specifically focusing on dashes. Dashes are versatile and can greatly impact the clarity and emphasis of your sentences. Let's unlock the mysteries of when and how to use them correctly. There are mainly two types of dashes in English. 1. N dash, roughly the width of an uppercase N. 2. M dash, roughly the width of an uppercase M. While they might look similar, they serve different purposes. But today, we'll focus on the more commonly used one in English grammar, the M dash. The M dash is like a Swiss Army knife in punctuation. It has multiple uses. 1. Emphasis or definition. It can be used to add emphasis or further define a statement. 2. Example. She finally answered, after taking 5 minutes to think, that she did not understand the question. 3. Interruptions. It can denote interruptions, especially in dialogues. 4. Example. But I was just about to say. No excuses. 5. Lists within lists. It can break up a list within a sentence when commas might be confusing. 6. Example. My favorite fruits, apples, bananas, and grapes, are all on sale this week. 7. Sudden change in thought. It can indicate a sudden change in thought or an added emphasis at the end of a sentence. 8. Example. She was running late, or was she? Just because the M dash is versatile doesn't mean you should sprinkle it everywhere. Use it when necessary to avoid making your writing look cluttered. Remember, a well-placed dash can emphasize, but too many can confuse. While dashes might seem similar to hyphens or commas, they have distinct roles. Hyphens. They are used to join words like mother-in-law or well-being. Commas. They can often be replaced by dashes for added emphasis, but not always. If in doubt, stick with commas for their conventional uses and dashes for emphasis and breaks. And that's a wrap on dashes. Remember, the key is to use them thoughtfully. By mastering the M dash, you add a powerful tool to your punctuation toolkit. We hope this video shed light on the wonderful world of dashes for you. Keep practicing, and happy learning!